Friends, I didn't want to end this week without bringing you this strategy that is bringing me many profits. I couldn't wait to show it to you, but I wanted to try it for weeks before uploading to the channel. You know that I only upload strategies that I'm sure work very well. So let's start. We will use the following indicators. Chop zone. In period, we pad 7. Period of the moving average, we pad 10. In source, we pad close. In smooth, we pad HLC3. And in moving average, we pad EMA. This is a trend indicator. The color of its bars tells us if we are in an uptrend, a downtrend, or a sideways trend. Another indicator that we are going to use is the linear regression intercept. In period, we pad 20. In source, we pad close. And in color, we pad blue. And finally, we pad a moving average. In period, we pad 90. In type, we pad EMA. In color, we pad yellow and thick line. Hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my best strategies and tricks to win in binary options. Bye. The line of the linear regression intercept indicator has to be above the yellow moving average. The candles must close above the linear regression intercept or be completely above it. And also the chop zone indicator bar should be light blue. Sell. The line of the linear regression intercept indicator has to be below the moving average. The candles must close below the linear regression intercept or be completely below it. And also the chop zone indicator bar should be red. We are going to use 1 minute candles and an expiration time of 3 minutes. Let's apply the strategy. Buy. Here are the conditions to make a buy. We have to wait for that candle to close above the line of the linear regression intercept indicator. Let's see what the candle does. Yes, it closed above the line. If it had closed below, we shouldn't have made the buy. Look, the linear regression intercept indicator line is above the yellow moving average. The candle closed above the line of the linear regression intercept. And also the chop zone indicator bar was light blue. Since these three conditions were met, I made the buy in 2 minutes. Always remember that to buy, the candles have to close above the linear regression intercept indicator or be above it. The light blue bars of the chop zone indicator indicate that the price is going to rise, that we are in an uptrend. Always look at what color is the last bar that formed. Cool. Sell. Here I make a sell. Look how the chop zone indicator tells us that there is a totally bearish trend. But the bars that interest me are the last ones, which are red. So they tell me that I have to sell. At the same time, the linear regression intercept indicator is below the yellow moving average. And the candles are below the linear regression intercept. So here I made a 2-minute sell. It's a very good strategy since it follows the trend and the three indicators together work very well. Look how well the operation is developing. This strategy works in OTC. As you can see, I am applying it in OTC. Obviously, in the normal market, it works spectacularly. Perfect. Okay friends, here I leave you more videos of binary options strategies.